Well, it certainly has felt a lot more comfortable out there today. It's been a lovely bright start to the week too. We do have our eye on later Wednesday into Thursday, where we could have some thunderstorms coming our way. And worth noting, whilst it has felt quite a bit fresher today, it will still be a little humid at times as the week wears on. So this is how things will unfold over the coming days. As I said, we've got our eye on the latter part of Wednesday into Thursday. We could see some thundery showers drifting up from the near continent. But once that's out of the way, it looks as though high pressure will slowly start to build back in from the south, and that should settle things down as we head towards the weekend. Out there at the moment, certainly looking very quiet, dry overnight, clear spells overhead and reasonably comfortable for sleeping actually. Many parts getting down to around 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. But you will notice towards the end of the night a little more cloud starting to drift into western parts. That's tied up with a weak weather front. It will work its way eastwards through the course of tomorrow morning. The cloud thick enough in places to give one or two spots of light rain or drizzle, but I think into the afternoon becoming largely dry for all. The return of some bright or sunny spells and still reasonably comfortable highs around 24 Celsius. Well, it certainly has been a fairly bright start to the new week and a lot of dry weather in the forecast. Having said that, we do have our eye on the latter part of Wednesday and into Thursday morning, where we could see some thunderstorms heading our way. And whilst today has certainly felt a lot fresher than recent days, I think as the week wears on, we could see the return of a bit more humidity. And this is how things are going to evolve over the coming days. So just keeping our eye on potentially some heavy thundery showers drifting up later on Wednesday. But once those are out of the way, it looks as though high pressure will begin to nudge back in from the south, and that should settle things down a little more as we head into the weekend. But that is still a long way off. For now, things look pretty quiet. Through the rest of this evening and tonight, it stays dry, largely clear skies overhead. Still a bit of a breeze as well. And with temperatures down to a fairly comfortable 12 or 13 Celsius for many, it should be a pretty pleasant night for sleeping. So tomorrow morning, not a bad start at all. Some lovely sunshine around first thing. As the morning wears on though, we'll see cloud thickening up from the west. That's tied in with a weak weather front, so there's every chance we could have one or two spots of light rain or drizzle for a time, but drier again into the afternoon, brightening skies and highs in the mid-20s.